Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Attaching D-rings to a frame. Put the frame face down on a flat work surface with the bottom nearest to you. Lay the frame face up in front of you first so you are sure the bottom of the frame is closest to you. Carefully flip it over so you are looking at the back side. This will ensure the picture frame is oriented correctly as you install the D-rings. Put a sticky felt bump in each of the bottom corners of the picture frame. Put one small sticky felt bump in each corner. This will steady it on the wall once it is hung and allow air to circulate behind it. You can get sticky felt bumps at a craft supply shop, hardware store, or online. They are just small circular pieces of felt with an adhesive on the back that you peel off a sheet like stickers. Measure and mark 1/3 of the way down from the top of the frame. Use a ruler or measuring tape to measure 1/3 of the way down from the top on one side and make a mark with a pencil. Repeat this on the other side. For example, if the picture frame is 30 cm, 12 in long, make a mark on each side 10 cm 3.9 in down from the top of the frame. Screw a D-ring into each side where you made the marks. Lay the D-rings so the screw holes line up with your marks and the D-shapes face inwards towards the center of the frame. Attach the D-rings using the provided screws. D-rings are the standard hardware used to install picture frame wire. You can purchase them at a framing supply shop, hardware store, craft supply shop, or online. The D-rings will come with tiny screws to attach them. Note that this will only work for wooden frames or frames made out of other pliable materials that you can screw into. It will not work for metal frames. Tying on the wire and hanging the frame. Select the correct weight of wire for the size of frame you want to hang. Picture frame wire comes in different sizes that can support different weights. Choose a gauge of wire that can support at least the weight of the frame you want to hang. For example, if the frame you want to hang weighs 13 lb 5.9 kg, you could use 15 lb 6.8 kg picture frame wire. Cut a piece of wire to 10 cm 3.9 in longer than the width of the frame. Measure the width of the picture frame with a ruler or measuring tape and add 10 cm 3.9 into the width. Measure out the wire to this length and clip it with pliers. This will allow you to tie and secure the wire in place while still leaving a little slack for hanging the frame. Tie the ends of the wires to the D-rings using slip knots. Insert the end of one wire up through the D-ring on one side. Fold about 2-3 cm 0.79 1.18 in of the wire back. Repeat this on the other side with the other end of the wire. Make sure there is a little slack in the line after you are done tying the ends to the D-rings. If the wire is straight across and tight with no slack, undo the slip knots and ready them with less wire. Twist the excess at the ends of the wire around the main length of wire. Pull the end of the wire on one side tight to make sure the slip knot is tightened all the way. Wrap the excess wire around the main length of wire like a spring coil, pulling it tight as you go. Repeat this for the end of the wire on the other side. If you have a lot of excess wire at the ends, you don't have to wrap all of it. You can just wrap it in 4-5 coils, then clip off the rest of the excess wire with pliers. Hang the frame on your wall using a picture frame hanging hook. Install a picture frame hanging hook on your wall using the provided nail. Carefully place the frame against the wall over the hook and slide it down into place until the hook catches the wire on the back. Make sure to use a hook that can support the weight of the frame. The packaging will tell you the weight capacity of the hook.